What's up, Slots family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you cooked shrimp Philadelphia sushi roll. I can use these kinds of film plastic to wrap the bamboo mat. That is my first process when I'm going to make the sushi. At least I'll wrap 5 times, at least. Okay, more than 5 times you can do till 6-7 times, it's okay. Start it from here, wrap this side. Take the wines, wrap it. I took all the wines from this bamboo mat. That is the sushi and sesame grade fish. Now I'm gonna clean this part a little bit. That is totally frozen one. Fillet it, the whole salmon, and I make the small portion and I did the frozen one to use the later. So if you don't know how to fillet a whole fish, how to cure salmon for sushi and sesame grade, you can check this video. This video gonna help you a lot. I have the shrimp, that is the frozen shrimp, as you can see here. Now I'm going to marinate it a little bit with salt and pepper. Then I'll use just a little bit sesame oil, it's enough. The sesame oil will give the extra level of aroma. Then I'll use the sesame to grassi. This is the new one. I'm gonna open it. So it will give the little bit nutty flavor also. It's enough. Now I'm going to do the normal pan fry. Use just vegetable oil and gonna do fry. This stripe I'm going to put inside the sushi roll. I'm going to use the cooked shrimp. I'm going to use the sushi and sesame grade salmons. I'll use the avocado, and I'm gonna use that is the interesting things, I'm gonna use this sweet potato crunchiness also. If you don't know how to make this crunchy, you can check the link on my description box. I'm gonna put there, okay? And I'll use the Philadelphia, and I'm gonna use the sesame seeds. And definitely I love to use spice mayo and teriyaki sauce. Okay, let's go. First of all, you need to know how to cook sushi rice. If you don't know how to cook sushi rice, you can check this video. Here is my nori seaweed. I'm going to give out one. Okay, then I'm gonna break in half. Okay, let's go. I'll make wet my hands with teju. I already made the teju, equal quantity of vinegar and water. I have here the nori seaweed. I already break downs. I'll take around 120 grams sushi rice and put in the middle. Most of my sushi lovers family are saying, oh, the rice is sticky in my hands and it's really hard to place sushi rice on the nori seaweed. So moisturize your hand just a little bit, not too much. Otherwise, it will make your seaweed very soggy, okay? Then separate it very gently. When you are going to place it, don't push too much, very softly and gently. You need to one wet cloth to clean your hands and to clean your knife, to clean your hands. Today I use a little bit more rice, the sushi roll will be a little bit more thick, more fat. Also, when you are going to place sushi rice, always use this part, look. Just a little bit teju and put like this way. I'm going to make the uramaki inside out sushi roll. That's why I'm gonna flip it. Yes. And I put a little bit more rice on the top of this nori seaweed, so it will be easy to close if you are making first time sushi at home and if you are beginners. So I'll use salmon fillet here. Then after I'll use avocado. Close. I'm gonna open. I hope it will good. Yes, it's good. And if you want to see how to cut avocado for sushi in a detailed video, you can check this video. Okay, I have everything on my YouTube channel. If you visit my YouTube channel, you will see lots of video related. It will help you. I'll use the avocado. Let's roll it. The rolling process is very easy. Take the bamboo mat, secure ingredients by your fingers like this way, and roll it. And the bamboo tip will gonna touch the seaweed, like here. Then take out the bamboo mat and roll it again. And use little bit of water and gonna push here. And also this side also. Okay, now I'm gonna cut and gonna do the plating. Firstly, I'll use the sesame seeds. That is the toasted sesame seeds. I'll cut in a half, okay? It's normal. You will have lots of rice in your knife. You have to clean, okay? So you can clean by this wet towel. Now I'll dip in the sesame seeds. It's a fusion sushi, that's why I'm making a little bit different things, Now I'm gonna cut it. I'll cut it in half. Then clean your knife, then half. Now I'm going to do the plating, okay? I'm gonna clean this. Now I'm going to use the Philadelphia. Inside the sushi roll, you can use the breaded shrimp or tempura shrimp as well if you want. Now I'm gonna put the shrimp. I'll put just a little bit teriyaki sauce. So it will give the little bit sweetness. On the top, I'll use this crunchy sweet potato. I have the colorful ginger pickles. If you don't know how to make this colorful ginger pickles, you can check the link on my description box as well. That's it. This is how we can make beautiful, crunchy, crispy and delicious shrimp fillet sushi roll at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.